Segment 4, Nikud 2, Nikud gimel. Ha'iyat tzecha, eitza. Ha'iyat tzecha, eitza. This article deals with the topic of posing a question. Here you will learn both how you can interrupt a conversation or a class lecture in order to ask a question, and also if you see someone wishing to ask a question, you'll learn how to acknowledge them. The way to indicate that you would like to ask a question is this: Esh Allah lach. Esh Allah lach. Practice this repeatedly. Jot it down in the flyleaf of your book so that you can refer to it easily, for no doubt you'll have a chance to use it soon. Another expression we find in the Hebrew Bible for presenting a question is this: Shoel ani otcha davar. Shoel ani otcha davar. Now we should note that the tone for this particular statement is more forceful, and as you read the article and pick up on the context and the speaker, in this case King Zedekiah, addressing the prophet Jeremiah, you will appreciate that this is a more forceful presentation. Perhaps you find yourself in a situation not of needing to ask a question, but of wishing to acknowledge someone who is indicating to you that they would like to ask you a question. Here are some ways to do that. The simplest is the first, ma lach. Ma lach. Another, a bit more complete, would be hatish'al oti davar. Hatish'al oti davar. Or if addressing a woman, hatish'ali oti davar. Hatish'ali oti davar. Perhaps someone has asked you a question and you're a bit puzzled by it. You sense there may be a motive, an underlying reason, and you'd like to probe the reason behind the question a bit more deeply. If that's the case, we find in the Hebrew Scriptures that very scenario, and it's an exchange between King Solomon and his mother. So he asks his mother, following up on a question she already has asked. King Solomon then says this. We'll read the feminine version first, since he was addressing his mother. Ve'lama at shoelet. Ve'lama at shoelet. If addressing a man, you would say, Ve'lama ata shoel. Ve'lama ata shoel. Please notice in the last paragraph some information about the Hebrew noun she'elah. She'elah.